San Diego Fire Rescue Special Operations Division supports the fire department in their normal day-to-day operations in those unique events that occur on a less frequent basis, but a little bit more critical. There are no more routine calls, so the ability to go out and rapidly assess a threat and manage what we historically in hazmat, and now it's evolved to the active shooter realm, and to bomb, and to pretty much our operational environment is a hot zone that is multiple threat. And so I think what makes us unique in some ways is how well we've integrated our operational profile and mission profile into that of the rest of public safety. San Diego Fire Rescue's bomb squad probably gets called out about 200 plus times a year for everything from a suspicious device to support of law enforcement on a SWAT call out. They're also a primary component and leader of what we call a JHAT, Joint Hazard Assessment Team. San Diego City, with the convention center and its size, hosts a number of events on a weekly basis. And a lot of focus now is on the detection of suspicious devices. So trying to keep an event opened but protect the public is one of the constant conflicts that we have.
Our F6A is definitely the flagship and the strength of our bomb squad. It can do multiple things, from anywhere from you can take the tires off and go down the middle lane of an airplane. We can shoot with it, we can deliver charges, we can x-ray with it. So we have many, many things that's taken the harm out of the bomb technician.
This robot is our Dragon Runner. The Dragon Runner is a platform that has a small claw, so it can open up backpacks, it can open up doors, close doors, grab different objects, but it also is tracked, so it can climb stairs and go off-road, even a little bit of underwater or submerged a little bit.
People are developing things out in the research laboratories for us, and also our own technicians are finding things. Whether it happens, an incident happens, and we have to be reactive and say, hey, we need to train on pressure cookers. We go out, we take those, and we find ways to defeat that. I can't say enough about training, I can't say enough about technology, how important that is, and a mission-driven culture. Whatever the mission is, we gotta be driven by that mission to be able to accomplish our goals.
The Air Operations Section at San Diego Fire Rescue is part of our Special Operations Division. We operate a Bell 212 and a Bell 412. Both aircraft are configured identically for hoist rescue, fire suppression, NVG firefighting at night, NVG hoist rescue. We provide service not only for the city of San Diego during the day, but at nighttime we provide service for the entire county of San Diego.
We have a lot of coastal cliff terrain, and what that means and what that does to us as first responders is it could be a technical rescue to get somebody off the edge of a cliff, whether they've fallen from the top or whether they've fallen trying to hike some of the trails, or whether they've just had a medical emergency.
One of the integrations of our resources is bringing in the lifeguards, San Diego City lifeguards, which are part of San Diego Fire Rescue. So we integrate now our resources with theirs to effect a rescue.
The responding units will look for the safest, most effective way to get the person off the side of a cliff. But if the patient is deemed to be in a precarious or a critical situation, we have the ability to use our hoist, insert the medic, provide treatment, and then we can extract and get en route to a trauma center all by ourselves.
Here's the most critical thing of what we do. It's how we train together throughout the whole Special Operations Division. And in addition, it's the non-connected networks that we share with our peers within other organizations that are critical, so that if we do have a large incident somewhere in the city or the county and we're all working together, we know each other. And we've developed that level of trust so that when we show up on an incident together, we immediately go to work.
We often go on somebody's worst day and we're helping them out, and there's no better feeling than that, to be able to go out in there and actually help somebody with our technical competence and our positive attitude on any given day.